Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi and I get every week makeup and cosmetic related videos. I love to search makeup products that are actually workable on brown skin people or brown skin girls. And we definitely don't have much options available in the market. So today I've come up with another video which is about blushes which are actually workable and doable on brown skin girls. These blushes are cream blushes from affordable section. For quite some time I have been in absolutely love affair with cream blushes. When I say cream blushes, I mean cream or liquid blushes. The reason for the love is the color, the tint, the beauty they give to me is absolutely gorgeous. The natural flush of color that they bring on your cheeks cannot be achieved with the powder blushes, trust me. And when the summers are coming, when the harsh summers will make you sweat, they would stay on place. So when I say these cream blushes, they will stay on your face, they won't move from the place you applied, they would look absolutely gorgeous on your face, they have longevity, they will give you color payoff, they will look absolutely stunning on you. So if you're interested to see which all cream blushes or liquid blushes are qualified as brown skin girl cream blushes, then keep on watching. As well as in this video, I would be sharing the right way of applying these cream or liquid brushes depending upon the skin type. So keep on watching this video till further ado, let's get started. For the purpose of swatches and giving you right color idea, I would be doing my base makeup time and again. So kindly bear with me if I start looking clownish. So now let's move on to the first one in this category. The first one is from e.l.f. This is a small tiny multi-use stick. This is a gorgeous formula. This is very affordable. And now let me swatch it for you. Though it looks very dark in the stick, but it gives you a natural flush of color. Now let me just blend it into it. When I picked up these blushes, I kept in mind first that these should be affordable. They should stay on the place where they've been applied. And most importantly for any cream blush or liquid blush is they should be blendable. Yes, this is a beautiful stick kind of a cream blush and it's highly blendable. Now let me blend it for you. Whenever you use any cream blush or a liquid blush, try to blend it with a stiff brush or with your fingers. It could be blended easily, finely with the help of a finger. Point number one, if you want a flawless application of a cream blush, then whenever you apply any liquid product on your face, that is your concealer or foundation, do not set with powder. When powder mixes with the cream product, it makes your makeup look blotchy. So remember, never ever set your face with powder. After you're done with the application of cream products, then set your face. Now let's move on to the second one. This is second one. This is from Milani. This is a gorgeous formula. This is a liquid blush. Little is more. This is the key to use this one. The best way to blend this is using your fingers so that you don't have to worry that the beauty sponge will eat your product or blush will blot in your product. And this is how it looks. Kindly bear with my application. This is a beautiful pink liquid blush which will not make you look like a baby doll. If you're a brown skin girl like me, this will give you an absolutely hint of color on your cheeks without looking awkward. So the best way to use it, as I said, is finger. After you applied, set it. Now the third one is from Maybelline. I kept it in my caddy because I think Maybelline is an easily available product all over the world, and this is a coral color. This is again a natural coral color which will not make you look awkward, which will actually show on your skin. So now let me swatch it for you. This is a beautiful coral shade which I would love to wear this summer. And you can see how natural tint this one has given on my skin. Again, I've blended this one with the help of my fingers so that the color stays natural and I can wear easily this summer. This one has an absolutely 8 hours of stay on power. So one liquid blush, if you're looking for yourself, this could be your deal. You can go ahead and get this one. So now let's talk about who are the right people, or which is the right skin type who can wear liquid blushes. I think liquid blushes are actually workable for every skin type, but if you have a texture skin, if you have little mature skin like that of mine, and you think you have a little bit of issues of pore, then this one is the best one for you, because this doesn't accentuate anything on your face and rather makes every texture that is present on your face look minimum. So now let's move on to the third one in this category of liquid blushes in tube. This is the third one in this category. This is a liquid blush from NYX Cosmetics. This is a berry kind of a blush, and if this brand is available in your country, then go and get this one. What is the advantage of this blush over the other two, that is the Milani or the Maybelline one, is this one comes in a tube, but it is leak resistant. It doesn't leak because it has a wand that is actually secured and you'll have to pull it out. So this is the way, and this is such a travel friendly tube. If you're interested to get a liquid brush in affordable section that is in tube and you want to travel with it safely, this could be a definitely go-to for you. Now let me swatch it. Don't get worried with the color. It is not that bright. Let me blend it and show it to you. This is how she looks. Isn't she one of the beautiful things you've seen? So now let's end the liquid blushes and stick blushes. Now we'll be moving on to the cream blushes, which come in pot, which are travel friendly and which are budget friendly. I've picked up these two gorgeous shades from Milani. I wanted to try e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty blush, but I couldn't get hold of it. Never mind, we'll make another video if you want to see. So let me know in the comment box if you want to see. When you want to use cream blushes, the technique stays the same like the liquid blushes. You have to apply your liquid foundation, concealer, whatever product, and you don't have to set your face. Before setting your face with the powder, you have to use a cream blush, and the benefit of using a cream blush over a powder blush is the time it stays on your face. Who can use them the best? Definitely anybody can use them best, even if you have texture skin, even if you have young skin, even if you have deep lines, because if you have deep lines, liquid blushes generally get settled into those lines, but cream blushes will stay on the surface, will make you look gorgeous and younger. Now let me swatch the first one, and before I swatch how we wear cream blushes, I will tell you. To wear cream blushes, there are two ways. Either you can use a brush or butt of your sponge. So now I'll use the butt of the sponge to swatch the first one. It is an instant, quick, easy technique to wear the cream blushes, that is with the sponge. This is a beautiful color for the summers. This is a beautiful peach. If you're looking for something which you can wear to work, you can wear in the days, this can be your deal. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one is again from Milani, and I'll swatch it for you using the brush. Again, a reminder, whenever you're using any cream blush, use the brush. It is actually becoming a tongue twister for me, blush and brush. So use the brush that is little stiff so that it holds a cream product right on it. And now let me swatch it. This one is a beautiful pink color. This has a lot more pigmentation to it, and if you are looking for something which you can wear during the nights, you can wear it to lounges, you can wear it to parties, this could be one of the best thing you can own. You can keep it in purse safely. It won't move, it won't leak, it won't mess your purse. This is a small packing, even this will fit into your evening clutches. And with this, it comes to the end of the video. I hope now you have a lot of options to work with for liquid and cream blushes. And let me know if you want to see anything else that I should do for you. Let me know in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. And now finally it comes the time to say bye-bye. And as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care. Bye-bye.